Starting Gaming. Yeah, you know, more unboxing. Continued on to be continued. I'm attempted to do the world's record most unboxing in the world. Uh-huh. Well, I've got 109 crates left. To be continued really fast. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm even gonna get. Unboxing. My god. Now last time I got two running over my usuals, which is awesome, but still. Okay. My god. The mystery. Never unusual. No. You know how much hard work to be a major musical. And plus, I always unbox sevens and hellos. Just to make it legit. Trust me. Chug. Oh! Oh my god! Oh shit! A $5,000 unusual or more actually is a fight.
Did he seriously get one?
I can't believe it! Booyah! Oh! Get wrecked! I got a Burning Crone dome! Sorry, viewers. Oh my god. Sorry, it's just my reaction when I get something rare. How? OMG! Now I'm confident. I'm now confident. Oh, this is just good. My god, I'm so into this. TF2 best unbox. Actually, second best unbox, but actually third best unbox ever. But that's what we call skilled at crating there. You never know what you're gonna get until you get it. I'm a god. I feel like a god. I literally don't know what to say to myself. Other that mean crates. This is really Lord Gamon's lucky number. Well, that is just how much luck I got. Good for me. Yeah, good for me. Like, you probably got, yeah. Sorry, that was just a panic attack. No, that's me being bad. Bad me! Oh my god! Panic attack. Panic attack! That is not what you see every day. Let me just say it to you. Oh, I can't wait to tell my friends about this. Okay, no. What? I don't believe you. No. Actually, no, if you say that you got a Burning Crone tome on your unboxing, then they're not gonna believe you. Because guess what? It's so rare that no one's gonna believe you. And I believe I got it. Well, congratulations me, boys. Oh, doubt I'm gonna get any other unusual after this shit. God. A Burning Chrono. Oh god, yeah, my god, this is just I need to cool down. Oh man. That is just too expensive. a Burning Crone dome. There's probably gonna be like, oh, frick. Out of all the hats, I got that. That is just madness. That is. I'm not even gonna speak to it again. This is like our first panic attack. Like, usually people have that with normal unusuals. Yeah, I get why, because I got that normal. But something that expensive? No way! I'm gonna find how much that drone dome works. I don't know about you guys, but yep. Maybe we should all start to wear Crone dome. No. Hard to unbox something like that. Alright. Line. Come on, Darth, you can stop it. Darth. Darthy. Darth. Oh my god. Man. So light to look at that. God. Oh shit. This is a real ass panic attack. Dumb. All because of this. I'm gonna be cursed. I'm gonna be cursed forever. Wow! Oh my god. There's one more crate. One more. Doubt it's gonna be anything. It's gonna be shit. Yeah. So let's see how it all went. Wait, what did I get again? Oh yeah. Oh, which medic should I wear it on? Him. Oh fuck. That is just sexy. Ooh. Like, which guy should I put on? Should I put it on my NG or? Oh fucking shit. That is pretty sweet, but I'm gonna have to go my medic on it. Marking of the newborn night. I'm gonna relax. Okay, this has been Dafting Gaming. Please rate, comment, subscribe. I hope you'd be interested in my record number of unboxing. Peace.